Find the right word. Sentence. Your scarf really, your eyes. Here are your options, you have 5 seconds to find it. Correct answer is B. Compliment. Why? Compliment means to go well with something, to match or complete it. So your scarf complements your eyes, it matches nicely. Why not others? Compliment with an I means a nice or kind thing someone says. Complete means to finish something, doesn't fit the sentence. Final sentence. Your scarf really complements your eyes. How many did you get right? Comment below and follow for more.